Want to learn how to make red velvet cake? My recipe starts with cake mix and adds a few extra ingredients to give this classic southern cake an Argentine twist. If you're looking for a quick, easy, and delicious red velvet cake recipe, take a look. First, the more traditional red velvet ingredients. To 1 box of white cake mix, I'm going to add 3 large eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk, along with 1/4 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon or 80 drops of red food coloring. And now for the Argentine twist. Argentines really like to add orange to chocolate, so I'm going to make this a chocolate orange cake. To do that, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of orange juice, 1 packet of instant orange gelatin, 1 teaspoon of orange extract, the zest of 1 orange. Once everything is in the mixing bowl, blend for 2 to 3 minutes. Using a cake mix makes learning how to make red velvet cake a breeze. It couldn't be any easier. And since this recipe only calls for 1/4 cup of oil, it's actually a fairly healthy red velvet cake. The orange gelatin not only adding flavor, but also retaining moisture in lieu of more oil. Once the batter is mixed, pour into prepared cake pans and bake at 325 for 28 to 30, maybe even up to 35 minutes. For a written version of this and other recipes, please be sure to visit my website, parnellthechef.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. When slightly cooled, remove the cake layers from the cake pans and frost with cream cheese frosting. I'm using a reduced fat, no butter cream cheese frosting. Once the recipe video is up, I will put a link in the description box. As you can see, learning how to make red velvet cake really isn't that hard. It just has a lot of steps. Although it looked good, how did this unconventional red velvet cake taste? Let's cut into it and see. My red velvet cake was delicious. The chocolate and the orange came together perfectly, combining into a new, unique flavor that was velvety smooth. A lot of people complain that red velvet cake doesn't have much flavor. It's just a lightly flavored chocolate cake. However, if you follow my recipe to learn how to make red velvet cake, you definitely won't have that problem. My red velvet cake definitely tasted like chocolate, but there was something else there too, something delicious. However, if I hadn't made the cake myself, I'm not sure I would have known what it was. In my opinion, a cake with such an eye-catching color and such a unique name as red velvet cake should have an interesting flavor. My red velvet cake definitely had that. Argentines like to combine chocolate with other citrus as well, so if you want to try this cake with lemon or maybe even lime, go ahead. I'm sure it would be delicious. However, honestly, I think that this chocolate orange version is perfect the way it is. I also think it's good timing that I'm uploading a Southern classic with an Argentine twist right now, because starting in January, I'm going to shift the focus of my channel from Southern and soul food to Argentine food. So get ready to see some flavor combinations and some recipes that you've never seen before. I'm really excited. Although I think you could tweak this recipe a bit, I recommend 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and not 2. I invented this recipe last May, and when I went to make it again this fall, I couldn't remember how much cocoa powder I put in. At first I tried 2 tablespoons and it was good, but it was much more of an orange cake than a chocolate cake, and the color was more of an orange red than a red. It's easy to let small mistakes like that really frustrate you, but I try to be positive. Now I know that 2 tablespoons is not enough cocoa powder. Like I said, if you want to learn how to make red velvet cake, follow my orange chocolate cake recipe. It won't disappoint. It's perfect for Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, Easter, the holidays, a Sunday dinner, or birthday, or maybe just because. There's definitely nothing wrong with an impromptu cheat day every once in a while. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. For a written version of this and other recipes, visit my website parnellthechef.com. And don't forget to follow me on social media. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.